Ever wondered how to make your video content more engaging and professional? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the magic of InVideo AI, a game-changing tool that can take your video editing skills to the next level. First things first, visit the InVideo website. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate. To begin, sign up for a free account. It's as easy as entering an email and creating a password. Once signed up, you'll be welcomed into the InVideo universe. Now, on to the meat of the matter. The first step is to select a template. InVideo offers a myriad of options, each tailored to different types of content. Whether you're creating a promotional video or a fun montage, there's a template that fits the bill. Remember, the template isn't set in stone. It's merely a starting point that you can tweak to your heart's content. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to import your media. InVideo supports various formats, so whether you're working with photos, clips, or even GIFs, you're in good hands. Simply drag and drop your files into the designated area. Next, let's talk about editing. With InVideo AI, you don't need to be a professional editor to create stunning content. The AI analyzes your media and suggests edits that enhance your video. These might be transitions, effects, or text overlays. Feel free to experiment with these options. The undo button is always there if you need it. Adding music is the next critical step. A good soundtrack can make or break a video. InVideo has a vast library of royalty-free music that you can use. Choose a track that complements your content and sets the right mood. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Select the export button and choose your desired resolution and format. InVideo will then render your video, ready for you to share with the world. In summary, using InVideo AI is a simple, intuitive process. Start by selecting a template, then import your media. Allow the AI to guide your editing, add some music, and export your video. It's a seamless process that brings professional video editing to your fingertips. Remember, creativity has no limits, and with tools like InVideo AI, you're equipped to bring your vision to life. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start creating today.